Let's talk about art therapy and stress. So art therapy techniques can actually distract the mind, take your mind off of pain, off of trauma, and put that focus somewhere else. It can help you feel less overwhelmed and more focused on your task, which will bring you to a place of calm. Art therapy can bring you to a place of mindfulness where you will achieve flow. Flow will bring you happiness and peace in your life. Through flow, you will also experience more productivity and self-satisfaction. Here are a couple things that art can do for stress. Creating art just for 45 minutes can actually bring your brain to a place of calm. It's distracting you from those negative thoughts and emotions and taking you outside of those and bringing you to that state of flow. Art can actually be similar to meditation, depending on what you're doing. Like I do with most of my patients, is giving them activities that will bring them to that meditative state. So repetitive line making, making mandalas, Zen tangles, and even just straight doodling, that can bring you to that meditative state that will release some of your stress. Art can also be a form of self-care, so that is removing you from those everyday stressors of life and bringing you to that place of calm. So self-care is about knowing what your body needs, listening to your mind, and taking a rest, and art can be a great outlet for that. And last, we have drawing. So drawing, like a journal, is actually a visual journal. So you can do this in a journal form. You can just do it on a pad, or just take a collection of paper, staple it together, and just keep that as like your visual journal. So drawing can also just bring you to that meditative state, like I had mentioned earlier, doing that repetitive line making. But drawing and seeing what's out there, maybe it's drawing something you've seen in nature, maybe it's a landscape, maybe it's the house you grew up in, or simple as even writing your name in bubble letters. But that drawing technique, it is such a great stress relief. I hope these tips have helped you. I'm Jean, and I'm an art therapist.